question, what's actually written on your whiteboard? Yeah, a lot of things. A lot of things. You know, a lot of things. Should I do a whiteboard tour? Do you want that? I think I never gave you guys a whole whiteboard tour, or like not, we can't talk about every single thing, but we can talk about a few things, and then I can, yes, everything, hell yeah, okay, hell to them, yes, okay, family and friends, you know, therefore we have to zoom in. Yeah, the thing is so big, I'm not sure if you can even see everything. Yeah, nothing changed. Family and friends, if you have any questions now, you can ask to the whiteboard. So, hello. Welcome to this whiteboard tour, you know. As I said millions of times, those are random thoughts. So some stuff you might see on here are disturbing and some stuff are not disturbing. And yeah, is it law stuff? Okay, I can also start. For example, here in the middle, here you see SPEUR, EPR, EIPR, This is like one part of the bike sum, the university bike sum. This is the thing, I don't have a cameraman, so I have to do it like this. Here you can see it. There. EPR, EUR, this is all law, you know, like old law that I did like really long time ago. It's actually, I think, one of the, yeah, and I wiped this so many times away that you're my greatest support, no problem. So this is actually very old, but I wiped this away a lot of times, then jot it on again, and then I started to just leave it. So law is here. Here you can see more law. It's also EPR, this international law. And like here I'm talking about some stuff that I need, for example the bylaw, the new law that came in there, this place. This was like, I don't know when that was, actually a time ago, but I had to learn it. So we have some law stuff. What do we have here? The green words. The green words you can see oftentimes on the top of the thing, next to the flashcards here. Do you see all those green words? Yeah, those green words are actually English vocabularies. Why that? When I started streaming, I read in almost every last session, you can see that even, not streaming, when I did the green words, I started to record myself studying, you could see that I was reading books, and every time I didn't understand the vocabulary, I wrote it here down. So for example, here it is sophisticated, what it means in German. You know, I'm a native, I'm not a native, I'm a German speaker. Then possesses or accelerate, like easy words I would now say, but in this time I didn't know them, so I wrote them down, you know. What else do we have? Here is first, like here is a little bit more law, and those percentages, 44, 68%, 51, 79, 56, 83, 56, 86. I was calculating something in my life that I have no clue what I was calculating anymore. If anybody remembers what I did there, let me know. I have no 44, 68, 51, 79. That's too long ago. I have really no clue. What's the life plan 3.1 means? Like general title. Here it says. You can't. Yeah, I will not zoom in again. But you will see here that I wrote Lebensplan 3.1. Lebensplan means life plan in German, and 3.1 is then the number which life plan it was. So 3.1 was then the 3rd.1 life plan, if you know what I mean. But I can tell you to this that this is not up to date. Like at the moment I'm at a different plan, you know. You're such a good study partner. Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Okay, next thing. Here is also some stuff that is law. It's also, I need hours to explain the whole board. Here's some more law. Here are some white papers. On those white papers are standing a lot of different stuff. So for example, I can explain you this. Here it says, can't tell you this. Now some stuff is very self-destructive. I don't know if I can read that online. Otherwise than that, I also have like some stuff that I thought was interesting for myself. For example, or everything is interesting for myself, but sometimes stuff that I read and I found, I don't want to forget this, is for example, I wrote it somewhere. where did it stand? It's where I describe the parts of the brain, and there's one part of your brain that thinks more logical, and the other part of the brain thinks more with emotions. And the part with the, I think the one is called cortex and the other word amygdala, and then I wrote amygdala versus prefrontaler cortex, because I wanted to understand, okay, now you think maybe very emotional, and then you have to maybe concentrate more on the prefrontaler cortex, you know, there's a little bit of psychology. I guess the people know, you know. Now I want a whiteboard like that, might actually get one, yeah. So maybe you understood what I just said. This is stuff that I wrote down. Here are a lot of ideas that I can't explain because they are really going deep into myself. This is settings for my camera that I needed in the beginning. You can't see that at all, it's too far away. But camera settings that I needed when I started to do camera stuff professionally, you know, like here you can see it. Like, then I wrote that down. That is also so long ago. Must be more than 2 or 3 years, to be honest. Yeah, what also a lot of people ask is, why is there a frog? Because I read this book, Eat the Big Frog First. Here I had a to-do list, and then I concentrated, okay, I should first finish the biggest task of the day, and therefore I drawed him and pointed to the big frog, the big thing in my to-do list that I have to do. In the end of the day, he turned out to be Gigi, and is like a character, and the to-do list is gone since a long time. Paperclip strategy is a strategy to use to study longer hours. I explained to you this also a lot of times. And I also have like a lot of things that I don't know. For example, here I wrote communication happens on the listener's term. Sometimes I think like, hey, you want to explain something to someone, but he doesn't understand it. I think that, but it's actually just that this person wants to hear what I want to say, and therefore I wrote it down so I'm not so frustrated with other people, you know? What the frog called Gigi. We called him Gigi in the stream on 25th of October. So yeah, this is like, I don't know, not even 1% of what is on here, but I can't give you a whole tour because the break is already over. So yeah, just give me one sentence on your board that's so unique, yours. One sentence of one word or anything from the board. Yeah, then I would say this is kind of unique, no? Communication happens on the listener's terms. That you, for example, you explain something to someone, or you explain your feelings, and you have the feeling, hey, I can't reach this person because this person hears some other stuff, you know, like this person, you might say the words that expressing your feelings, but a person just sees the world through his lens, you know. Therefore, it's sometimes frustrating, but then I remind myself, hey, the person just has a different view on the world. For example, when you what I mean with the person only sees and hears what she or he wants to hear is, for example, imagine you buy something new, and then you go through, for example, a car, and then you go through the city, and out of nothing you see like 1,000,000 times the thing that you just bought, because your brain is now primed on seeing stuff, you know, but this stuff was always there. You just see the world really different than other people see right now, and this is the same with communication and all this stuff. And therefore I wrote it down. What else can I tell you? I wrote here a moment of laugh, because I think, I don't know, yeah. Can I tell you anything what is not too private? Oh, 2nd of November 2023 I wrote, I believe in your ass. No, I actually didn't mean ass, because I set a dot after that. It must be a short form of something. Anyways, will you ever throw the board away for whiteboard when you go to another place? No, I don't think so. Believe in your ass, certs, you got this. Nah, I don't know what did I meant there, because I set a dot after this. Yeah, for example, before I created this luck video, I wrote something here. There's no such thing as luck. Luck is where preparation meets opportunity, and there are endless opportunities in this world. And then I created the video on luck. Yeah, this is also a long time ago then. Anyways, you had a list on countries you wanted to go to. Yeah, but this is on this flashcard, the blue zone. The blue zone are countries in the world where people live the longest. And then I thought, is it maybe that the people are happier there? And the blue zone is Okinawa, Sardinia, Nicoya, it's a part in Costa Rica, Icaria, it's in Greek, and California. Yeah. But yeah, this on the flashcards. On the flashcards there's also a million of stuff. Okay, yes, luck video with a castle background. Yeah. I want to start a board. For me, it's notebook, because I can't hide my crazy brain there. Yeah, the nice thing is, you know, whenever I have like friends over here, like I know once I had a date with someone, and oftentimes I don't let people in my room, but we were then talking in here, and she started reading my stuff, and I was like, shit, didn't expect that people start to read it. But most of my friends, like the walkie-talkie guy and whatever, they were always never reading that because they said, hey, it's just too much. So it's all fine, you know. So if you have a whiteboard, maybe also write it so full as like this, because nobody will ever read it anyways.